Hey guys, it's Jackie the Math Guru. Please subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be working on functions. We're going to be using this function just for all three of the problems. It says use the following function to solve for, and then whatever it's asking us, like this one, it'll be f of 5, f of negative 2, and f of 2 over 5. So the function that they gave us is 3x squared plus x minus 12. What this means is that for every x right here, we're going to substitute it with whatever number we have in our question. So for A, we want to figure out what is f of 5 equal to. So we're going to rewrite it, but instead of the x, we're going to put that 5. So it's going to be 3, 5 squared. I'm going to put it in parentheses just so you know what we put as our x plus 5 minus 12. So this one we could either solve it the regular way, which the order of operations, we're going to do the exponents first. So 5 squared, that means 5 times 5, which is 35. So we got 25. 3 times 25 plus 5 minus 12. Then we move on to multiplications. 3 times 25 is 75 plus 5 minus 12. 75 plus 5 is 80. Minus 12 will be 68. So this is going to be our answer for that one. You could also just straight out use the calculator. That we're going to put whatever we have right here, and we're still going to get the 68. The way you're going to put it in the calculator, so I'm going to be using the TI-30XA. Depending on your calculator, it might be a different button, but all the calculators do the same thing, so you will be able to do it. You're going to put 3 times 5, and then try to find something that looks like this in your calculator, x squared. This means that it's going to square our 5 plus 5 minus 12 equals, and it should give us our answer as 68. So we got 3 times 5 squared plus 5 minus 12, it is 68. So just put these into the calculator. Don't try to do it this way because we might mess up, like right here or over here. We might either add wrong or subtract wrong, multiply wrong. You just want to use the calculator. Just put it in the calculator and it's going to give us the same answer. Don't stress yourself out. So for the second one, I'm just going to put it into the calculator. The way we're going to put it in the calculator, it's going to be the f of negative 2 equals 3 times negative 2 squared plus negative 2 minus 12. So this is the way you're going to put it in the calculator. Now this calculator in particular, we have to put the number first before we make it a negative. Some other calculators, you just press the negative, then you press the number depending on your calculator. So this one will be 3 times 2, and this calculator has a negative sign that looks like that, the plus and the minus. That makes the 2 a negative. Then we're going to square it. We're going to put the x squared plus 2, make it a negative again, that one, minus 12 equals, and it's going to give us our answer. So let me try it. We got 3 times 2 negative square plus 2 negative minus 12. It's going to give us negative 2 for the answer of this one. So when you take your test, it's just going to look like this. They're going to give you a function like that, and then they'll say, what is f of negative 2 equals, and then question mark. So what that means, just put in the calculator. For C, now C, we have a fraction. They might give you a fraction like this. There's a button in the calculator that it's the ABC button that you can use for fraction, or another way is change it into a decimal if you don't want to deal with fractions. 2 divided by 5 is going to give us 0.4. So this is the same thing as saying f of 0.4. If you want to deal with fractions, just put in the calculator at 0.4 and it'll make it easier. So we're going to make the f of 2 over 5 equals to f of 0.4 equals as 0.4 squared plus 0.4 minus 12. So the way you're going to put in the calculator, we're going to put 3 times 0.4 squared plus 0.4 minus 12 and equals, it should give us our answer. So if I put in the calculator, 3 times 0.4 square plus 0.4 minus 12, it's gonna be negative 11.12. So the calculator does the operation for us. It knows what to do first. So in this case, it will do the exponent first, then multiply it out, then add it, and finally subtract it to get our final answer as negative 11.12.